lagi ko'y kasama. Bakit kapag wala ka, sadya bang kulang pa? Bakit tinadama mo ang isang nararamdaman? Sa bawat sandali, hanap ko ng aking mata. Sa aking puso ang iba, dahil sa'yo ako'y wala na hahanapin pa. Tawag, ibig ko ang tawag ng hangganan. Mabuhay nang wala ka, sapat dahil kailangan ko. Sa tuwing na'y natatanaw, sa aking puso'y may kumakangit na
Thank you, Ronnie. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Chris. Nikki, maraming salamat sa napakagandang awitin na yon.
Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for having me here.
Rachel.
Good morning po, Tito Boy.
Dalaga ka na. Christian.
Good morning.
Okay.
Alam mo, napansin ko, parang pinaninindigan ni Ronnie na ang fresh na look niya, color jeans. Parang every time you're here, iba-ibang kulay talaga yung sinusuot mo.
That's
Tama
good.
ba yung observation ko? Bakit? To set you apart? It's nice, actually. I like it.
Fashion and para ibang look naman.
Pinaplano yung para mapanatiling fresh ang iyong look.
Siyempre, kailangan every time na lalabas ka, kailangan fresh ka lagi. Parang, wow, si Ronnie, meron naman siyang bagong look. Parang gano'n.
Correct. Diba? Nikki, ikaw.
Hindi, boy, tinan mo yung outfit niya kasi may rule, diba? If you're gonna show off your legs, no cleavage, and she's following it, really. Yeah. Pero nagpakita ng konting skin pa rin kasi asymmetric yung
Ganun
top
pala yun.
ng na stop. You're evolving na parang gusto mo for PBA na madalas naka-mini ka? Not necessarily, but it's true. It's either you show something sa taas or sa baba because you don't wanna go overboard.
Yung magtatakbo.
Just trying to avoid the word, but diba that's it? But I wanna avoid being manang also. Correct. Just like a balance. Parang
Samang timpla.
Yeah.
Ika nga. Very good. Pero ito, do you consult stylists? Kayo ba'y nagbabasa sa mga magazines?
Magazines. And then ask them actually to wear this because you will learn a lot from watching them. Like, I like your shoes. And di ba si Noel is there?
Noel,
So malaking tulong na ni
Pero
Noel.
totoo yan. It's an effort.
Oh, ewan ko ba yung bagay niya? Ganda.
Ganda.
Thank you. Super yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. You invest in shoes. It's so important.
Napakaganda talaga ng sapatos.
Mga shoes.
Ako talaga una kong tinitingnan ng sapatos. Ito.
Sapatos. Sorry, masama kami, but we always look at the shoes for girls.
Wait, so how do you style yourself?
Actually, ako hindi ko po alam eh. Nag-experiment na ako. Before, pa siguro mga 2 years ago, sobrang parang feeling ko ang body ko po manamit.
Clearing ka ba? Hanggang ngayon?
Ngayon, sakto lang po.
Pag-usapan natin.
You're growing your hair. For what?
Bagay, no?
I was about to say I like it also.
Ako rin.
Ano lang po,
I rarely like long hair, but I like yours.
thank you
Ganda.
very much. I'm just really lazy right now, so hindi ako nagpapagumit.
Okay. Pero
But it's
good
work.
po yan, ha? Being lazy. But it looks
Talaga?
good.
I thought it was parang Josh Groban inspired naman.
Something like that, para maiba rin ng konti. Kasi nung
Always
summer,
been so clean cut.
yeah,
So
I've
parang
always
maiba lang.
Right.
exactly. Pero I will go back to that clean cut once I go into West Side Story by September, kasi I have to get that 50s gangster look.
May color preferences ka?
I like the cool colors like blue or black.
May mga kulay ka bang hindi mo isusot?
Siguro yung mga neon pink.
Ah,
Yung mga
exciting
neon
yan.
green. Yung mga ganun.
Neon pink.
Yung
Ayaw
mga
talaga na mag-pink.
maps na-
Okay. Fresh kasi ang ating pinag-uusapan.
When we come back
Yes.
kasi, boy, it's so important to know na yung seafood na binibili mo fresh.
Totoo.
Kasi diba, what is that before? Yung sa shellfish, tapos nagkakasakit ng mga tao, yung red tide. Yun.
Yes.
Diba, it's so scary. It's
Totoo yun.
fatal.
Ibig sabihin, there's a technique to know
Yes.
kung fresh ang binibili
Ito
mo
na.
Seafood?
Tinuruan ako ni Chef Bruce, how do you know talaga na yung seafood from the fish to the shellfish to yung mga shrimp
Ay,
and all.
fresh.
May technique talaga. At
Okay.
natututunan natin yan sa pagbabalik lang po ng Boy and Chris.
Sana ang gusto kong itanong, is it over? Is a search over?
Hindi.
Nag-aantay? Nag-aantay lang.
Alam ko darating naman yun. Baka-bother yun if you hear stuff like that. I'm sure, diba? Darating.
Chris has a
Yeah.
question.
If
Does it
you're-
bother you daw?
Yeah, you get hurt. Pag naririnig mo nag-date na siya or nag-entertain na ibang suitor.
O naghihintay?
Okay, right now, sa
Fresh love ang pinag-uusapan.
sa aming friendship ngayon,
Relasyon.
it's really good friendship na we're open to anything, we talk about it, tapos
Wala nang discomfort. Wala na.
I guess there's a point na now na wala na yung discomfort.
Ronnie, wait, ikaw, kumusta? Gaano ka-fresh ang iyong puso, ang iyong pag-ibig?
Fresh po lagi, syempre.
Di ba, he was very honest before. Sabi niya, crush mo. Sino yung crush mo? Ronnie? Was it Bea? Was it,
After Bea, there was somebody
there
else.
was someone else? Di ba? Sarah.
Sarah na
Ayun.
naman. Hoy, lagot ka.
Fresh lang naman po.
Ano naman? Crush lang naman.
Diba si Mark, ang aminado ngayon na matching thank you Mommy Divine for giving
May
us
ganon.
Sarah message.
Ikaw ba, nandiyan pa rin yung crush mo kay Sarah?
Andun naman, lagi po naman pong nandyan, hindi naman po nawawala.
So, hindi pa nababago yun?
Hindi po kasi nakakatuwa lang po talaga si Sarah na she's a superstar or one of the superstars pero hindi siya nagbabago.
Sarah, kung nanonood ka, ingat, may plano.
Ayun, Vicky. Yes, may delegate na?
After Jeff, wala na.
Well, I'm dating. Maybe not dating, but like meeting new people, getting to know new people, and I'm going
But not
out now.
exclusively
No,
dating.
no one exclusive.
Not exclusively
no.
dating.
Bakit? What went wrong? Well, we were never together for the record. Yeah, we were never together. We were never a couple. Ano lang? Yes.
Pero,
It's a
high school ka rin, di ba?
misconception.
Magkaibigan na kayo. You were
Oo,
crush.
we were
Crush ka na ni
friends.
Jeff.
Ewan ko sa
Parang
kanya.
ganun. Anyway, okay, alright, go ahead.
But, may mga ganung relationships, di ba? Na parang the moment that you make it officially romantic, it just doesn't work. We realize at least that parang we're better off as friends or may mga bagay na talagang hindi namin napagkakasundoan. So,
Okay. Kasi Ronnie parang may naisabi, nag-iisip lang siya. Parang yung mga plano
Sinasabi
niya,
mo.
sinasarili niya. Paano ka magmahal?
Nagmahal po talaga ako. Wala na akong hahanapin iba. Parang total package na lahat.
Total package.
Focus lang ako sa'yo.
Alam mo, ang galing mo talaga, Ronnie. Maraming salamat. Marami ako natutunan.
ako mag-appreciate.
With the one who won my heart. Mga kaibigan, Christian Bautista. Fresh ang ating umaga dahil sa ating mga bisita. Maraming salamat, Ronnie. Sure.
On September, sa mga 50 subscribers po sa Hawaii, first week or third week of September na dyan po ako. May-show po ako dyan. And first week and second week of December, promote ko na rin. Meron po akong show sa Winnipeg, Canada.